How can you enhance your lessons with multiple videos in Kajabi without using tools like YouTube or Vimeo? Today, we're kicking off with a new series about UpCourse. It's an advanced tool for Kajabi users to take your online lessons to the next level. With UpCourse, you get almost unlimited flexibility in styling your Kajabi lessons. It works seamlessly on mobile browsers and even in the Kajabi mobile app. In this video, we'll dive into one of the standout features, using multiple videos in one single lesson. Using multiple videos in a single lesson can be incredibly handy for several reasons. You can break down complex topics into shorter, bite-sized segments. You can offer step-by-step tutorials or provide different perspectives on one subject. And multiple videos in one lesson all allow you to deliver content in a more engaging and digestible format while keeping it structured. When you need to explain something that requires detailed steps, instead of cramming everything into one long video, you can split that lesson into manageable parts. And this keeps your students engaged and helps them to absorb the information more effectively. UpCourse makes this progress seamless with Kajabi. It's enhancing this platform which is already robust and has a lot of capabilities. And with UpCourse, you're not just adding those videos, you're creating a dynamic learning experience that keeps your students coming back for more. Styling options in Kajabi courses seems to be limited. And I know, because as a Kajabi programmer, I wanted to push Kajabi to the max. I wanted to explore new features that no one had done before. And I've used Kajabi for my online businesses since 2014. I've built multiple six-figure businesses on this platform, and I'm the programmer behind specialized Kajabi templates like Gamify Pro, Gamify and UpCourse. And they're all available at UpCourse Online. Well, being a full-time programmer, I have deep knowledge about what Kajabi can do and Kajabi cannot do. And this is much more than the average Kajabi expert is telling you. For example, if you want to use accordions, videos, extra audio, background colors, or a PDF slider inside your lesson in Kajabi, most people will say, well, that's not possible. Some people, some experts that are more experienced, these can program these features for you. But if you do this with all those lessons, this can make your course creation very expensive. I wanted to create a tool that everybody can use to enhance their lessons. It's a tool that improves your students' learning experience and helps them achieve better results. Because what I think is that happy students lead to a happy bank account. So it's important to make your lessons as engaging and as appealing as possible. And with Kajabi and UpCourse together, you can access new options that leave other platforms far behind. If you don't have Kajabi yet, you can try it for 30 days for free. I can offer you twice the normal trial time if you use my link. And please note that I'm a Kajabi partner. I earn some commission if you decide to start a paid plan after your free trial. You don't pay anything extra, but you do get more bonuses by signing up through my partner link. It's a win-win. Plus, you get our powerful Gamify Pro template for free. And with Gamify Pro, you can immediately start building the most engaging online courses in Kajabi with badges and certificates and confetti. You're going to love it. Just follow the link below this video. Start your free trial for Kajabi. So why should you use multiple videos in a lesson? Well, we talked about this. Using multiple videos in one lesson can be a game changer for your online course. It keeps your audience engaged by breaking down the content into shorter focused segments that are easier to follow. Well, this approach allows you to dive deeper into topics without overwhelming your viewers. You can show those different perspectives and you can make that learning experience more dynamic. Plus, It gives your students the flexibility to learn at their own pace, making your lessons more impactful. That's what you want. You want them to learn something. And without UpCourse, there's only one option to use for multiple videos in a single lesson. You need to upload all those videos to an external platform like YouTube or Vimeo, and you need to embed all those videos in your lessons. And this can be distracting, as students can easily switch to YouTube, lose their focus. With UpCourse, there's no need for external platforms. You can upload all your videos directly in Kajabi, and each video gets its own player, which strengthens the learning curve and enhances your user experience. Let me show you how easy it is to use multiple videos in one lesson. But before we start, I want to tell you, UpCourse is a tool. It's a lesson editor. Like Microsoft Word is an editor, or like Canva is an image editor. UpCourse is not the lesson itself. UpCourse works on a landing page. It's an editor built in a Kajabi landing page, making it very powerful because now you have access to all the Kajabi features that are already there. So it works in that landing page. And first you create your lesson with UpCourse on that landing page, and you can add all the videos and all other content you like. And then the next step is to simply copy the lesson content to your computer's memory. Now open your course and your actual lesson in this course, and you paste the content from your computer's memory and you save this page. You can preview it and you can see immediately how UpCourse enhanced your course lesson. And that's all. That's all you need to do. We have done the hard work, so you can just focus on the content, on the things you want to learn to your students. Well, I think that was pretty fast, but let me break it down into a few more steps so you can see what UpCourse can do, how easy is this to use, and how you can copy it to your courses. What I told you, UpCourse is a landing page, so you'll find it in your Kajabi account on the page landing pages. If you downloaded our template, you can upload it here, and then you will come in the UpCourse editor. The editor looks like a Kajabi editor, although on the left hand sidebar you only have some admin information you can use, and you have the UpCourse editor, and this is the editor where you have all the information. You can use equal height blocks, you can overrule the background colors if you're working with darker backgrounds in your lessons, and here you have a list with all the block items you can use in a section, and you see there's text, video, text, video, text, video, text, and an author card. So when I scroll down from top, I have text, I have a video, I have text, video, text, video, text, and here is an author card, also an UpCourse feature. All these videos are here. You can upload your own video. It's a Kajabi video. It will be natively stored in your Kajabi app. You can upload the image, and you have player settings. You can change the accent color. Let me change it to some different colors. Let me take the blue one here, or the green one. And you have player settings. You can show the controls on load. You can loop the video if you want, or allow full screen, show a play bar, and you can do this with all these videos. They all have their own colorings and settings. And let me show the play bar and save the page. So when you have done editing your page, editing the text, the videos, then there's a big green button. Click on it. It will open a new page where you can preview your future lessons. So when you have seen this, everything is okay, you can click this orange button, and now all the code is stored to your computer's memory. That's all you needed to do. Next step is go to your actual course. So we are here in the course layout. We are in our course outline, and I've created an UpCourse demo video here. So when I go to this video, let me take away the code I just used. A normal lesson would look like something. You have a video here. This is your introduction lesson. This will be on top of your lesson, and then you have some text you can put in here. And what with UpCourse, what we can do is transform this just flat text into something marvelous. So I open this, paste my computer's memory, and once more press the OK. There's some bunch of code, just ignore it because we do all the hard work in the background. Save the page, and when we preview this page, you will see the text, the images, the videos with the green colors, with the scroll bars. This one was blue, and when we play, there's play bar here, and this one also, this was light blue, and when we click there was no play bar. You see there's no play bar. So you have also the option to show hide that play bar and to make sure that people are actually watching your lessons. So this is just one layout you can use, and what you also see that it's mobile responsive, as this lesson is just this part of the screen. It's a little bit more condensed than we were using here in the UpCourse lesson. If you want, you can also adjust your UpCourse lesson to be more like this screen. So let me go back. So we were using the lessons. It's not exactly what I wanted. I wanted to have two lessons side by side. I wanted to start with text, then I wanted to have two lessons side by side, but that's not possible in Kajabi. But with UpCourse, click on the video, and on top here you see there is a video width, and we'll make the one 6, and this one I'll also make it 6, and now we have two videos side by side. Save this page. Once more, edit, save the page. We have the orange button, copy everything. Okay, we've changed the page. Go back to our lesson. Go back to our code here. Just select everything and delete it. So we don't need it anymore. We completely paste the new code here. It's okay. We save the page. And let's go to this page. This was the previous lesson. Now refresh the page, and what you see, we have two videos side by side. This is how easily you can embed multiple videos. They are all natively in Kajabi. There's no YouTube pop-up. Hey, do you want to watch the next top model video because you like that? It's all here, and I think it's very effective. So if you want to really create new lessons, new course lessons with video, with audio, with PDF, with colors, with images, UpCourse is the easiest and probably the only way to make it work. I suggest you start the demo for UpCourse. You can subscribe to it and you can experience what UpCourse can do on your own computer and on your mobile devices, and how lessons could look like if you used UpCourse. You can start a demo at www.gamifycoursesonline.com/UpCourse. And if you're not in Kajabi yet, take advantage of our free trial offer with the Gamify Pro template to see how easily you can start building your community, your lessons in Kajabi. Just use our link www.gamifycoursesonline.com/Kajabi. So that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on my YouTube channel. Let me know in the comments what you think about this new feature, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm Bastiaan. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our UpCourse demo.